Hi everyone, my name is Jing. I'm the junior software developer at one of the tech companies known as the Flag. Today I want to share with you about 5 must-do tips in universities if you want to land a job in tech after graduation, just like what I did. So the first tip is to take your fundamental courses in algorithms and systems seriously. You don't have to go to the lectures, but you need to learn the stuff seriously. That includes algorithm design, software design, operating systems, and much more. So why is that? Some students like to think that GPAs are not important for becoming a great software engineer. But the fact is, maybe the GPA numbers doesn't matter. The essentials of the knowledges that you obtain from those courses, as well as your learning process, will be critical to your future work in tech. They are the buildstones of your future career path. So stop having the excuse of unimportant GPA and start to treat these courses and your learning process seriously. And the second tip that I will give you is to go to the activities such as the hackathons and the programming competitions whenever you can afford it. During my university, I have come across plenty of students who only care about what's covered in the class and think that those activities are just pure waste of time. That is very wrong. If you don't do any side projects or hackathon projects, your resume becomes plain and unconvincing. How can you stand out? Possibly just by doing some course projects. You're essentially no different than anyone else. And guess what? The big tech companies like to hire someone with different traits than others. Now, the third tip. Reach out to the seniors and the alumni. It may sound intimidating, but the truth is, as a junior university student, you probably have no idea what you are going to do in the future, what career path you're going to take, whether you want to do research versus industry. And there are also so many different jobs and positions in the industry that you can choose from, such as web developer, full stack, backend, frontend. There are also research engineers, applied scientists, data analysts, data engineers, PM, which is project manager, technical project managers, DevOps, also known as site reliability engineers, and the list can go on and on. Remember, those who graduated are at once at where you stand now, and they're more likely to help you. They're much friendly than you think, and all you need to do is just to reach out. For example, I personally have helped quite a lot of students in deciding whether they want to do research or in industry, even while I'm still in school. I also cover possible research topics and even hands-on resume improvements for them. Oh, by the way, I can also cover the topics on demand. If there's any question or anything that you want to know, just leave a comment in the commenting area. The fourth tip I will give you is to plan early. Opportunities are ever given to those who prepared. If you target yourself as something, as say some position, you better first learn a lot about the end game of that position, and second, start preparing for it now. For example, if you want to become some web developer, participate in the hackathons and make use of those opportunities and resources to implement your ideas, make some websites, make some apps, do some demos. If you feel like doing machine learning or computational statistics in areas like healthcare and finance, take your math and statistics classes seriously. Talk to the professors that you want to work with. Apply to the lab positions before the end of the semester. If you want to participate in roles such as project manager, build up your leadership through university clubs. If you have no idea what you want to do, go back to suggestion number 3, start from there, figure something out. My last but not least tip for you is to stay energetic and healthy. Interview seasons can be incredibly stressful, and you may have 2 midterms, 3 interviews in the same week where you have to fly to 2 different other cities for on-site interviews. Physical and mental wellness is extremely important and absolutely critical under such hustling lifestyle. It is crucial that you get enough sleep, get some exercise, don't drink too much coffee, don't let alcohol kill your brain cells. Believe it or not, being positive in a good mental status helps your communication with others and may even help you improve the odds of excelling the interviews. That's all for today's discussion. As someone who recently graduated, I did research in university lab, in the industry, and finally today working as a developer in a big tech company as a software developer. I hope you find this video useful. What are your thoughts about today's topic? Like, subscribe, comment below, share it to your friends if you find it helpful. Let me know in the commenting areas if there's any other topics that you want me to cover in the future videos.